Good morning student. Today class we are discuss about unit number 1 application of matrices and determinant in the exercise number 1.1 question number 8. The amount of rupees 5000 is to be deposited in three different bonds bearing the ratio of 6%, 7% and 8% per year respectively. Total annual income is rupees 358. If the income from the first two investment is rupees 70 more than the income from the third, then find the amount of investment in each bond by rank method. So solution, let the amount of investment in the three different bond be, we are taking as rupees X and rupees Y and rupees Z respectively. We get the following equation according to the given condition. So what is the first condition given? The amount of rupees 5000 is to be deposited in three different bonds. So what are the three different bonds we can take it as? Rupees X and rupees Y and rupees Z. So sum of these three bonds equal to 5000. So X plus Y plus Z equal to 5000. What is the second condition given? 6%, 7% and 8%. The total annual income is rupees 358. That is for 6% of X and 7% of Y and 8% of Z equal to, you get the annual income is 358. So 6% of X means it can be written as 6 by 100 into X plus 7 by 100 into Y plus 8 by 100 into Z equal to 358. So multiply by 100, we get the value for 6x plus 7y plus 8z equal to 35,800. This is for second equation. So what is the third one? If the income from the first two investment is more than the income from the first two investment is more than the income from the third. So the equation is 6% of X plus 7% of Y equal to 70 plus 8% of Z. 6 by 100 into X plus 7 by 100 into Y. We are converting into percentage. 6% means 6 by 100 into X plus 7 by 100 into Y equal to 70 plus 8 by 100 into Z. So multiply by 100, we get the value for 6x plus 7y equal to, multiply by 100 we get for 70 into 100, 7000 plus 8z. So we are converting the equation 6x plus 7y here minus 8z equal to 7000. This is for third equation. So what are the first three equations? So x plus y plus z equal to 5000, 6x plus 7y plus 8z equal to 35,800, 6x plus 7y minus 8z equal to 7000. So the matrix form is, we get the matrix form is, what are the coefficient of x, y, z? 1, here 1, 1, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7 minus 8. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7 minus 8 in the first row 1, 1, 1 equal to what are the constant term? 5000, 35,800 and 7000. So next one, to find out the value for augmented matrix A comma B, combination of A and B. Next one, to find out the rank of the given matrix AB. So what is the first place? This place value is 0. We want to make the, what is the first element is here? 1 only. So no need to interchange any row or column. So next one, this place value make into 0. Next one, this place value make into 0. Next one, this place value make into 0. So what are this one? Triangular form, echelon form. Convert the given matrix and to find out the rank of A comma B and a rank of A. So the values are first row 1, 1, 1, 5000, 6, 7, 8, 35,800. So here R3 implies R3 minus R2. So R3 implies for R3 minus R2. So what is R3? 6. R3 here. R3 is 6, 7, minus 8 and 7,000. 7,000. R2 value is R2 value. What is R2 value? 6, 7, 8, 35,800. 35,800. Next one, find out the minus. Here 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So change of sign. Change of sign means here minus. Here plus means minus. Here plus, put the sign for minus. Here plus, change of sign is minus. So finally we get for 7 minus 6 minus 6, 0. Next one, 7 minus 7, 0. Minus 8 minus 8. This value is minus 8 minus 8 minus 16. Minus 16. Next one, 7,000 minus 35,800. We get the value for minus 28,800. So R3 implies for R3 minus R2. R3 value minus R2 value. We get the value for here 0, 0, minus 16 and minus 28,800. Next one, I am easily get for this two place value is 0. Next one, I want to make this place value 0. So what is the one? R2 implies for R2 minus 6R1. So what is R2 value here? R2 value is 6. R2 value is 6, 7, 8 and 35,800. And R2 is next one minus of 6R1. 6R1 implies for 6R1. 6R1 multiplied by the element here 6. Here 6. 6. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 6, 6. 6 5s are 30. Next one, change of sign. So we get the value for minus. Here also minus. Here minus. Here minus. 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. 8 minus 6, 2. 35,800 minus 30,000. We get the value for 5,800. 5,800. So the second row is 0, 1, 2, 5,800. See now find out the rank of A and rank of A comma B. Rank of A comma B. Here also value. This value also 1 to 5,800. Here also value. So rank of A comma B is 3. How to find out rank of A? First 3 by 3 matrix. First 3 by 3 matrix. So you can see here also value. This also value minus 16. Here also value. So what is the rank of the A? Rank of A also 3. Rank of A comma B also 3. Rank of A also 3. Number of unknown here x, y, z. Number of unknown x, y, z. This value also 3. So all the 3 values are equal. So the given system of equation is consistent and it has a unique solution. So next one, the given format, make it into the matrix form. So the matrix equation is given by, so 1 1 1 0 1 2 0 0 minus 16 x, y, z. Here 5,000 5,800 minus 28,800. So form a equation 1 into x, x plus 1 into y, y, 1 into z, z equal to 5000. 1 into y, y, 2 into z, 2z equal to 5800. 5800. Next one, minus 16 z equal to minus 28,800. Minus 16 z equal to minus 28,800. So z equal to minus 28,800 divided by minus 16. Minus minus cancel. So finally we get the value for 1800. So z value is 1800. Cancel this value. We get the value for z equal to 1800. Next one. So what is the second equation? Y plus 2z equal to 5800. From this value, what is the y value? This implies power. So y equal to what? 5800 minus 2z. Y equal to 5800 minus 2z. So substitute the value for what is the value for z? We know the value for z value is 1800. Now substitute here. Y equal to 5800 minus 2 into 1800. Here 2 into z value is 1800. So 5800 minus 3600. Finally we get for 2200. 2200. So we get the value for what are the values? We know the value for z value and y value. Substitute in equation number 1. X plus y plus z equal to 5000. From this one, x is equal to what? 5000 minus y minus z. X is equal to 5000 minus y minus z. So x is equal to 5000 minus y value 2200 minus z value is 1800. So finally we get the value for 1000. Finally we get the value for 1000. So the amount invested in a 3 bond are x value is rupees 1000 and y value is rupees 2200 and z value is rupees 1800. Thank you, student.